Okay, so what we're looking at here is the DJI Ronin 4D and the 7-inch high-bright remote monitor with controllers. And we'll go ahead and power the Ronin on. And the Ronin is on a flex cable. Yeah, coming online. There we go. And that comes down over here. And we'll turn on the high bright monitor. And that will mirror the display that's on the camera itself. There you go. And that also controls the focus. And we can see that on the peaking. There we go. And this controls the left and right. Me with my bald head. And you can run record on this, etc. Okay, now we're recording. And if you put a SD or a micro, okay, then yeah, if you put in a SD card, then you can record to this also, a proxy video.